Good evening students, welcome back to the class. In last class you have studied about the Bhakti movement in North India. So today we are going to study about the growth of regional languages. The propagators of the Bhakti Sufi movements spread their ideas through their vernacular languages. This was to enable the common people to understand them. This resulted in the growth of the regional languages. Many languages such as Punjabi, Kannada, Telugu, Oriya, Assamese, Marathi, Bengali, Sindhi and Malayalam evolved during this period. In almost all parts of the country, Persian was the court language of the medieval period. Hence, many Persian words can be found in many regional languages. Out of the relationship between Persian and Hindi, a new language, Urdu, came into being. Okay students, let's discuss about Urdu language. The word Urdu means camp. The language which was spoken by the army men of different languages was Urdu. Its words are taken from Persian, Turkish and Hindi languages. Urdu is the most important example of the cultural synthesis of India during the medieval period. Urdu was spoken in the Deccan. It was strongly influenced by the languages such as Telugu and Marathi. Gradually, Urdu became the most popular spoken language of the towns. Okay, next, let's see about the Malayalam language. In the western coast of India, merchants used Arabic. Soon it became to influence the regional languages of that area. Because of the influence of the Arabic language, a new mixed dialect, Arabi Malayalam, evolved in Kerala. Okay, next, let's see the Sanskrit language. The people also used Sanskrit during the medieval ages. Sanskrit was used in the court of Vijayanagara on festive occasions. Sanskrit prevailed as a language of the higher education. The popular literature of the Sanskrit, such as the Puranas, Ramayana and the Mahabharata were available in the regional languages. Okay students, next let's talk about the Persian language. The Persian literature influenced some poets and writers of this period. The most notable Persian writer of the period was Amir Khusrau. His love towards India and the pride of being an Indian is clearly shown through the content of his works. During this period, a large number of Indian works were translated into Persian language. Ramayana, Mahabharata, Atharva Veda, Upanishads, etc. belongs to this category. The historic chronicle of Kalhana, Rajatarangani, was translated into Persian during the reign of the Kashmiri king Zain ul Abdin. Okay, next, let's discuss about the Hindi language. The Hindi received tremendous inspiration during the medieval period. Ramananda and Kabir delivered their moral advice in Hindi. The Dohas of Kabir were the finest example of Hindi literature. The Sursagar of Surdas, Ramacharita of Tulsidas, the Bhajanas of Mirabai and the Padmavati of Malik Muhammad Jaisi enrich Hindi language. Okay students, hope that you have understood all about the growth of regional languages. Read your textbook thoroughly. If you have any doubt, you can ask. So be happy and safe at your home. See you in the next class. Thank you.